Welcome to the Funeral Program site, Questions and Answers video series. Today's question is, what software can I use to create a funeral program? There are a variety of options and programs you can use for DIY funeral programs or done-for-you services. You can choose from software you already own and installed on your computer. Some popular choices are Microsoft Word, Publisher, OpenOffice, or Apple Pages. It is best to select the software that you feel most comfortable using. This will prevent unnecessary delays with the creation of your program. You can either create the program from scratch or utilize a ready-made funeral program template. If you choose a funeral template, it is important to download a template specifically for the software you choose. The template must have the same file name extension, such as .doc for Microsoft Word users. Although the template lays the foundation for you, you will need some knowledge of the program. If you would like a less technical option, using an online editor that only utilizes an internet connection is a great option. This will not require any special software or program since it is online-based. Typically, the online editors are much more user-friendly and very intuitive, providing minimal to no learning curve. A final option would be a done-for-you service, in which you can enlist the help of a graphic designer to typeset the program. This is a hands-off approach to creating a program, so it frees you up to tend to other planning. This involves submitting your information to the designer and reviewing the program proof. The choice is based on your current need, time frame, and budget. More information and selections are available for you today, only at thefuneralprogramsite.com.